Good day, everyone. For this video, we'll be discussing about statement of the problem and the hypothesis, which is actually part of our introduction when we are writing our research proposal. So, statement of the problem, the general or main problem is expressed in a form of statement, while the specific or the sub-problems that may be descriptive and inferential are presented in a form of questions. Other types of research present the objectives. So, when we talk about statement of the problem, it basically tells us what the problem is all about and how the researcher intend to address this particular problem, or what component of that particular problem might be used in order to determine or to know more about the concept or the issue being stated by the researcher. So example, we have the research title, Level of Fire Disaster Preparedness of Junior High School Students. General objective would be, this study aims to determine the level of preparedness on fire disaster of grade 7 to grade 10 students in VMA Global College and Training Centers Incorporated during the fourth grading of academic year 2018-2020. So as you can see here, when you're writing your general objective, it should be in a statement form. And what comprise our general objective would be the following. We have here the aim of the study or the concept being discussed, which is the preparedness on fire disaster. Our respondents would be grade 7 to grade 10 students. We have also our research locale, which is in BMA Global College and Training Centers Incorporated. And the time of the research would be during the fourth grading of academic year 2019-2020. So all of this must be located in your general objective. After stating your general objective in a statement form, you need to write your specific objective related to our general objective. So specifically, this study seeks to answer the following questions. Number one, what is the problem of the respondents in terms of A, sex, B, grade? This is more of the demographic profile of the respondents in terms of their sex, whether male or female, and their grade level, whether grade 11, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, based on this particular study. Number two, what is the level of preparedness of respondents on fire disaster in terms of A, knowledge on fire safety preparedness, B, training on fire safety preparedness, and C, familiarity on fire emergency plans. As you can see, these are our indicators that we tend to address in this particular issue on the level of preparedness in terms of fire safety. The next part to be discussed will be our hypotheses. So hypotheses for comparative or relational study or research only. These are statements in quantitative research in which the investigator makes prediction on or a conjecture about the outcome of a relationship among attributes or characteristics. We have the null hypothesis or the alternative hypothesis. So basically, when you have your hypothesis, it could be an answer to our inferential questions. Is there a significant difference or is there a significant relationship? So this is actually used only for comparative and also for correlational study. So basically, when we talk about hypothesis, this is our educated guess about a certain phenomenon. So for example, the title, Peer Pressure and Academic Performance of BSMP Students, hypothesis would be, or in this case, hypothesis, which is in null hypothesis form, there is no significant relationship between peer pressure and academic performance of second-year BSMP students in VMA Global College and Training Centers Incorporated. So this is null, since we have here the statement no. So this actually answers the question, is there a significant relationship between peer pressure and academic performance of second-year BSMP students in VMA Global College and Training Centers Incorporated? Question 1. So this is the null hypothesis form to answer our inferential question. And I think that's it for our video discussion. I hope you learned something about statement of the problem and our hypothesis. See you in our next video. Thank you and have a great day.